What's up guys, and welcome back to Hacker in the Shop. I got this short video for y'all just showing how easy and straightforward it is using GPR. So we have some damage down low on this dog leg, and typically how we usually go about this would be to weld some studs, weld some keys, or even a plate, maybe even some wiggle wire. Good news is we don't have to do that anymore. So just like any other pair, we're going to start off following the 6 C's. So I'm going to go ahead and buff this panel, removing as much road rash as possible. Even the friction from that buffing pad is going to have my panel temps sitting perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down really good with my 99% isopropyl alcohol. So my panel temps are sitting perfect at 90 degrees, so I'm just going to go ahead and flash it with the torch just to make sure I remove all the humidity and moisture. I'm also going to wipe my tab down with my release solution, and I'm starting my first pole right on that edge using a dead center centipede. I'm going to coat it with a nice even layer of glue, and you want it to be smoking hot. Now firmly set it on the panel, and you want a nice even layer of glue around the tab. Give it a few minutes to set, and then we're ready to set up the K-beam. Now add some tension and continue to go around and correcting the crowns with your red and blue slappers. Those are extremely important when doing these types of repairs. And just repeat adding tension and knocking down crowns. Now I'm going to go ahead and attack that body line. I'm going to use a curved ice centipede, and I'm going to do the same thing as before, adding tension and knocking down the crowns. Now we're going to move into the detail aspect of it. We're GPR techs, we're not PDR techs. So we're going to continue doing what we've always done before, yet we're going to do it now cleaner and more efficient. So we've done 4 poles and some knockdown work, and all this was accomplished in around about 35 minutes. So now all we're ready for is a skim coat, and off to paint it goes. Now look closely at the knockdown as that light disappears. That's the beauty of GPR. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you soon.